Welcome to Nuer Tube. We have breaking news in Gambella. Breaking news: Gambella corrupt leaders are removed. According to this information, Ethiopian Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed has removed Gambella previous leaders, including both the President and Vice President. Mr. Umoto Julu and Tenkwe Joak are no longer in leadership position. Gambella embark on a new chapter as we congratulate Ms. Alimitu Mot and Dr. Galwa Ronjel, who have succeeded as the newly appointed leaders of Gambella. Our warm wishes go out to Gambella people, most especially the youth who have demonstrated their rightful strength and fought alongside us to overthrow the racist corrupt leadership of Umoto Julu and Tenkwe Joak. This is a breaking news in Gambella that make most of the people in Gambella happy, hearing the news that Dr. Abiy Ahmed is officially removed both the president and the vice president of Gambella. For so long, Gambella have been suffering under these two leadership, where they don't provide a solution to the conflict in Gambella. The Anuak terrorist groups that are allied to Umoto Julu, the president of Gambella, which is no longer now the president, been constantly killing innocent people, especially Nuer people and the South Sudanese refugee living in Pinyado camp, Jua camp, and Tirkita or Tarapam, without any action from both the leaders of Gambella, Mr. Umoto Julu and Tenkwe Joak. On Thursday morning, according to the news that I have here, Thursday morning, the removal of these two leaders will be officially announced in Gambella. Still, nobody knows whether there will be another news. Maybe the first leader or the president will be Nuer, or the vice president will be Anuak. The person who was selected by the Dr. Abiy Ahmed, she is a woman from Anuak, and the vice president who is selected by Dr. Abiy is from Nuer. So this is the information that I have for you. Maybe in the near future, 2 to 3 days, we will be hearing a different news in Gambella.